Struggling to remember those monthly bills? Are you tired of logging in every time just to send money to a friend or set aside savings? If your finances could use an autopilot button, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Revolut app to show you exactly how to set up recurring payments, what Revolut calls scheduled transfers. This simple feature is the key to automating your financial life, whether it's your rent, loan payments, or even just building up your savings vault. Let's jump into the app. First, open up your Revolut app. On the bottom navigation bar, tap on the transfers icon. It looks like two arrows pointing away from each other. Next, you'll need to choose the person or bank account you want to pay regularly. If they're a recent contact, you might see them right on the screen. If not, tap on Send or the New button to find or add a recipient. Once you've selected the recipient, enter the amount you want to pay. This is where the magic happens. Before you hit that final Send button, look for the little calendar icon or the word Scheduled near the top of the payment screen. Tap on it. This will bring up the scheduling options. You'll need to set two main things, the start date and the frequency. For the start date, pick the day you want the first payment to go out. For the frequency, you have a few options: daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Choose the one that suits your needs. Most recurring bills will be monthly. You can also set an end date if the payment is only for a set period, like a 6-month loan repayment. If it's your rent, you probably just want it to run indefinitely. Once your start date, amount, and frequency are all set, tap Continue or Confirm to lock in the schedule. And that's it. Your new recurring payment, or scheduled transfer, is now active. A quick tip: to manage your existing scheduled payments, just go back to the Transfers tab and look for the upcoming section. Tapping on any of these will let you view, edit, or cancel the transfer whenever you need to. Automating your essential payments is one of the easiest ways to keep your finances stress-free and on track. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.